Good morning, class. Good morning, fourth year. This is Miss Mary. Let's sing a song of the hello. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? How are you today? Are you happy or are you sad? How are you today? I'm happy. I'm happy. Now, class, we are going to review the class about the farm animals. Remember what are the farm animals? Look, this is a farm. Everybody, let's repeat. Farm. One more time. Farm. Very, very good. And this is the farmer. This is the farmer. Repeat. Farmer. Farm. Okay. What animals can you see in the farmer? What animals can you see in the farmer? Yes, that's right. A cow. Let's repeat again. Cow. And what is the sound of the cow? Moo. Very good. What else can you see here in the farmer? Yes, a duck. That's right. This is a duck. Very good. What is the sound of the duck? What is the sound? Quack, quack, quack. Great. Another animal that you can see here on the farm is the horse. Everybody, let's repeat. Horse. Again. Horse. Very good. This is a big horse. And then here we have a pig. Repeat again. Pig. What color is it? It's pink. The pig is pink. And what's the sound of the pig? What's the sound? Meow? No. The sound of the pig is oink, oink. And finally, here we have this animal. This animal is the sheep. Sheep. And what is the sound of this sheep? Very good. It's ba, ba. Very good. It's the sheep. Okay. Now, repeat with me. Duck. Duck. Great. Sheep. Sheep. Again. Sheep. Horse. 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 Great. Cow. Cow. Very good. Pig. Pig. Excellent. Okay, class. Now we are going to watch a video. This video is about the bingo. There was a farmer. Remember the farmer? Yes, el granjero. There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, okay, you are going to look at this video.
There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, clap! There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, pat your legs. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, pat your tummy. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, pat your head. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, jump. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh,
Excellent! Now here you have your homework. In your homework, you have this piece of paper, which is the peak. The peak. You are going to trace the línea, and then you are going to color the peak. Alright? Excellent! Okay, now it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, everyone.